Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for stopping by. So in this video we'll be creating this gorgeous crochet braids wig using some caniculon hair. So if you're interested and you want to see how I was able to achieve this hairstyle, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the other side. So the things that will be needed for this tutorial are, first of all, you will need a mannequin head, and that is why I have this with a mannequin stand. If you don't have this, put it in between your legs and girl, just make your way out, don't stress yourself. You'd also need a stocking cap. I have two. This is a mesh and this is a straight one, so I'll be using both the mesh and the straight one for this tutorial. You'd also need a scissors to cut your hair, crochet hook with the latch like this that you can open and close, and of course some Flexy rods. And so with that being said, let's just go right into the video. So first off, I'm going to place my mesh net on the dummy like so. So for the caniculon hair I'll be using today is by Darling. They sent me this hair to review for them. There's no packaging or label on this hair because it's not yet out on the market. They sent me a bunch of them to try and give an honest review about the hair before it comes on the market. So this is how the hair looks like. It's pretty long. I believe it's longer than 50 inches, yes. So what I'm going to do right now is cut this side in the middle, here, the middle. Keep this one here. And then this one also, I'm going to cut it into two also. So in all, I'll have 4 different pieces or bundles, each way you choose to call it. So I don't know the number of packs that I'm going to use for this tutorial. Once I'm done, I'll give you guys every details you need to know about this hair. So make sure you watch to the end. So once I have it like this, I'm going to brush it to get rid of all the flyaways. Okay. So first off, you want to slide your latch through about 2 to 3 holes, like so. And then with the hair like this, I'm just going to pull it apart, like pull it, so that both ends wouldn't feel like it's blunt. You just want something like this. And then you attach your hair like this, close the latch, pull it through, and then secure it with two knots so they don't unravel in the process. I'm just gonna pull it. That's cute. It looks kind of bulky here because I'm picking a lot of hair, so that's how come it's not laying flat. At this stage, you're just going to go ahead to curl the hair using some flexi rods, and as you may see me doing here, I'm picking it in sections. It's quite bunchy. Yes, I'm just doing it this way so it saves time because I have a lot of hair to curl. So as you may see me doing, I twist the hair, like I kind of twist the hair tightly before I wrap it on the flexi rods. I do this in order to make the curl like last longer, because if I curl it straight, I wouldn't get the kind of curl effects that I'm looking for. So it's always best to twist it tightly before you wrap it on the rod, as you may see me doing here. So I just continue to repeat the same step over and over again until I was done with the entire head. And once I was done curling the whole head, this is how it turned out. I'm then going to move ahead to put some hot water on it in order to seal the hair and also bring out the curl that we've been looking for. So here I'm just pouring some hot water on the hair. Be careful not to burn yourself because this thing was very hot. I nearly burnt myself in the process, but yeah, I survived. So I'm just continuing to dip the hair in, making sure that each part of the hair was like soaked in the hot water, and then I'm going to pat it with a towel and leave it overnight. So this is the next day, and I'm going to go ahead to unravel the curls because here it was already dry, so there was nothing to worry about. I'm just going to go ahead and remove all the rods from the hair, and I'll get back to you guys. After removing the rods, the next step is to separate the curls, and as you saw me picking it in bunch before curling it, I'm then unraveling, like removing it, each curl on its own, to kind of make the wig a little bit full and fill up any gap that I left in between whilst crocheting the hair. This whole head I used just a pack of the Darling Caniculum braids, the one that I showed you. Yes, I just used the pack. I cut it into 4 and I just used that one to crochet. Nothing special. The hair was already matched, so I didn't have to use a lot of hair, and I didn't want the wig cap to be too bulky, else I wouldn't be able to wear it afterwards. So I just did the pack for it. And once I was done removing all the curls, this is how it turned out. Oh my god, the hair looks so nice and soft and fluffy. You guys can see. I wish I could wear it on for you guys to see how beautiful this hair was, but I've done 4 locks on my head. I haven't taken them out yet, so I just left it on the mannequin. But make sure you follow me on my Instagram at 2_Maame Abena 2_. Once I wear this hair, I'll take some pictures and post them on there, and you guys could see. So until next week, stay fab, stay beautiful, and enjoy the rest of your day. Until next week, bye guys. Oh, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to this channel.